took out the little spinner in the middle.
Yes.
And what are we fixing now? What's the name of this? Lid switch, right?
The lid switch. It's not working in this part.
And what won't and what is the washer not doing?
It's not draining all the water that's in it, and it's not supposed to be like this. It's falling apart.
So we're gonna have to replace
this
it.
little piece right here is also falling out, and they're broken.
Okay.
So we have to repair this, and we're going to Plan B.
Absolutely. And since we don't have a replacement device, I'm going to show you how to do
Electrical tape.
Right, and it's going to be called a bridge connection. We're going to create a jumper and a